The Google Pixel 11 Pro XL leak is making waves right now, and for one big reason, it points to a major redesign of the iconic Pixel camera bar. If these leaked details are accurate, Google isn't just tweaking the look of its next flagship, it's turning the camera bar into an interactive feature that could change how you notice notifications, charging, and even camera activity. We're breaking down everything revealed in the latest Google Pixel 11 Pro XL leak, the new Pixel Glow camera bar concept, rumored color options, Tensor G6 performance upgrades, Titan M3 security, Gemini on-device AI, battery and display expectations, and what this could mean for the Pixel ecosystem, especially with a Pixel Watch 5 launch rumored alongside the Pixel 11 series. Let's get into it. First, the headline featured the Pixel 11 Pro XL camera bar redesign. For years, the Pixel camera bar has been one of the most recognizable designs in the smartphone world. You could spot it from across a room. But according to the newest Pixel 11 Pro XL leaks, Google may be evolving that signature bar into something more futuristic and more functional, with a feature being called Pixel Glow. Pixel Glow is rumored to be an RGB mini LED section or possibly a glowing light ring embedded directly into the camera bar. And this isn't just about style. The leak suggests Google wants the camera bar to do more than hold camera lenses. It may become a smart, interactive visual system. Here's what Pixel Glow is rumored to do. Number 1. Real-time notifications. Instead of relying only on your screen or a basic vibration, Pixel Glow could light up for calls, messages, and app alerts. That means your Pixel 11 Pro XL could communicate important information at a glance, even when it's face down or sitting across your desk. Number 2. Charging status and battery feedback. Pixel Glow could indicate charging progress with dynamic lighting effects. Think of it like a visual battery meter that doesn't require waking the phone. That's a small change that can feel surprisingly premium in everyday use. Number 3. Camera activity transparency. One of the most interesting rumored uses is an indicator for active camera usage. If Pixel Glow lights up when the camera is being used, it adds a privacy-focused layer that's easy to understand instantly. In an era where people care more about privacy than ever, this would be a smart move from Google. Now, beyond Pixel Glow, the leaked renders also point to a more refined overall design. The Google Pixel 11 Pro XL is expected to look sleeker, with thinner bezels and a cleaner silhouette, basically a more polished flagship look that still keeps the Pixel identity intact. And customization may be a bigger theme this year too. Leaks mention wallpapers designed to match the phone's color options, creating a more cohesive hardware plus software aesthetic. Some of the rumored colorways being discussed include fuchsia, midnight haze, and moss, along with other reported finishes like sterling light, dune, and midnight. Whether all of these make it to the final lineup is unknown, but the idea is clear. Google wants the Pixel 11 Pro XL to feel personal right out of the box. Now let's talk performance, because the Pixel 11 Pro XL leak doesn't stop at design. According to the rumors, the Pixel 11 Pro XL will be powered by Google's next custom chip, the Tensor G6. The Tensor G6 is expected to bring a noticeable leap in speed, multitasking, and overall efficiency. And efficiency is key here, because it impacts everything: sustained performance, heat management, and most importantly, battery life. Alongside the Tensor G6, the Pixel 11 Pro XL is also rumored to include the Titan M3 security chip. Google has been investing heavily in hardware security, and Titan chips are designed to help protect sensitive data like passwords, biometrics, encryption keys, and secure boot processes. If Titan M3 is real, it signals that Google is continuing to push Pixel as one of the safest Android experiences you can buy. For graphics performance, the leak mentions a C-series GPU, which could translate into smoother gaming, better frame rates, and more stable performance for demanding apps like video editing, high-resolution streaming, and advanced camera processing. Connectivity is also getting attention in these leaks. The Pixel 11 Pro XL is rumored to use a MediaTek M90 modem for faster and more reliable 5G. And that matters more than most people think. A strong modem doesn't just improve speeds, it can improve signal stability, reduce battery drain during mobile data use, and deliver a more consistent experience when you're moving between towers or traveling. Now, let's get into the display and battery, two of the most searched flagship categories every single year. The Google Pixel 11 Pro XL is rumored to feature a 6.8-inch high-resolution OLED display. That suggests a big, immersive viewing experience with deep blacks, vibrant colors, and strong contrast, perfect for video, gaming, reading, and social media. Battery capacity is expected to land around 5,000 mAh. Combined with Tensor G6 power optimization, that could mean true all-day battery life, even for heavy users. And if Pixel Glow becomes part of the experience, people will naturally ask whether it drains the battery. The only way that works long-term is if Google has tuned it to be efficient, subtle, and smart about when it activates RAM options in the leak range from 8GB to 16GB, which gives Google room to offer multiple configurations depending on region and storage tiers. For everyday users, 8GB can still be plenty, but for power users, and especially for on-device AI features, extra RAM can make the entire phone feel faster and more future-proof, and that brings us to the biggest software and AI story in this Google Pixel 11 Pro XL leak: Gemini. The leak suggests the Pixel 11 Pro XL will introduce Gemini as Google's next-generation on-device AI assistant. The key phrase here is on-device. Instead of depending heavily on cloud processing, Gemini is expected to run more tasks directly on the phone. Why does that matter? Because on-device AI can be faster, more responsive, and more private. If your phone can process requests locally, it can deliver results instantly, even with weak connectivity. And it reduces how often sensitive information needs to leave your device. According to the rumored capabilities, Gemini could support advanced task management, things like smarter reminders, scheduling, and workflow organization. It could also provide context-aware assistance, helping you draft emails, compose messages, and navigate apps more intelligently. The goal is to make the Pixel 11 Pro XL feel like it understands what you're trying to do, not just what you typed. And for communication features, real-time language translation and transcription are expected to be part of the Gemini experience. That could be a major win for travelers, students, remote workers, and anyone who deals with multilingual content. If Google gets Gemini right, the Pixel 11 Pro XL could stand out not just because it's powerful, but because it's genuinely helpful. That's the difference between a phone that's impressive on a spec sheet and a phone that feels smarter every day you use it. Now, let's zoom out and talk ecosystem, because leaks suggest Google is building a bigger Pixel world around this. Launch. Alongside the Pixel 11 series, the Pixel Watch 5 is rumored to arrive as part of the same product cycle. Details are still limited, but the expectation is deeper integration, better notification syncing, smoother app handoff, stronger health tracking, and tighter connectivity between watch and phone. This matters because the market is shifting. People aren't just buying a phone anymore, they're buying an experience across multiple devices. If Google can make the Pixel 11 Pro XL and Pixel Watch 5 work together seamlessly, that's how you build long-term loyalty. So what does all of this mean? If these Pixel 11 Pro XL leaks are accurate, Google is taking a bold approach in 3 key areas. First, design innovation with purpose. Pixel Glow isn't just a flashy gimmick, at least not on paper. If it's used for meaningful feedback like notifications, charging status, and camera transparency, it could become one of the most distinctive and functional camera bar upgrades we've seen. Second, flagship performance with smarter efficiency. Tensor G6, a new GPU, improved modem tech, and a security upgrade with Titan M3 could make the Pixel 11 Pro XL feel faster, safer, and more reliable in real-world use, not just in benchmarks. Third, AI that feels practical. Not promotional, Gemini on-device AI has the potential to be the feature that defines the Pixel 11 Pro XL. Faster assistance, privacy-first processing, and real productivity tools could make this phone stand out in a crowded premium market.